Hey there fellas, what's up and welcome to this new video. So guys, in this video we're going to be seeing whether you can or you cannot use your Zelle without a bank account. So guys, if you are new to this channel, I would suggest you subscribe to this channel to never miss any trending content from us. So guys, without any further ado, we start right after the intro. Okay guys, we know that Zelle typically works with banks that are in the Zelle network. As you can see, Zelle features a list of banks that are actually participating in the Zelle network. They are in order from A to Z, and navigating through any of these letters will take you to a page where you see a list of banks that actually participate in the Zelle network. So coming back to our question, can you use Zelle without a bank account? That is somewhat a tricky question, because first off, you will actually still be playing with a banking tool. This banking tool can be a debit card or a prepaid card, so using Zelle without a bank account is, in the direct sense, not actually possible. However, you can use Zelle without a bank account if you link a debit card that is from a bank that participates in the Zelle network. Okay, that debit card must be issued by a participating Zelle network bank. There are a lot of banks that participate with Zelle, and if you don't want to use their bank account directly with Zelle, okay, fine, you can use the debit card instead. Also, there are some cases where you are unable to find the Zelle app within your banking app. It is just normal. All you have to do is to contact your bank to figure out what actually is causing this issue. However, if you are still unable to resolve the issue with your bank, you can always link your debit card to the Zelle app. You can download the Zelle app from this page equally, or you can download it from the Play Store or the App Store, depending on the mobile device you're operating with. So as you can see, it's available on App Store and Google Play. So once you download the Zelle app, you just need to open it and link in your debit card. And if you bank with a bank that does not participate in the Zelle network, you can still link your Zelle debit card. You can still link your debit card to the Zelle app. There wouldn't be any issue, because Zelle also works with debit cards as well. In fact, they've offered this feature for banks that aren't yet in the Zelle network. So if you think you're unfortunate banking with a bank that does not participate in the Zelle network, then you might not be as unfortunate as you might think. You just need to link your debit card to the Zelle app, and there's it. You are good to go. So guys, we've come to the end of our video, and I hope from this video you've understood whether or not you can use Zelle without a bank account, as we can all drag out the takeaway that you can use Zelle without a bank account. It's very easy and straightforward. All you need is the Zelle app and your debit card. You just need to download the Zelle mobile app and link in your debit card issued from any US bank. Okay, so make sure the bank should be a US bank before you want to link this debit card to Zelle. So guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, just share it with your friends, and don't forget to give it a thumbs up to get it a very good reach to others looking that were actually in the same situation as you were. So guys, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.